Okay, what you getting ready for?
Welcome to Clark's place. This is the
road,
Carlisle.
the road to Carlisle.
Road to Carlisle, or this is set the weekend, July 4th actually.
Yes,
Happy
4th.
birthday, America.
250 America. Yeah, America.
We're going to start loading all this stuff up in the trailer to get ready to head north, so we thought we'd go through and show what we're bringing.
We're bringing food in the little cooler and beer in the big cooler. That's
the right proportion.
That's right.
This is it's a whole set of dark green seats.
That is the upholstery you took off when you bought your seats.
They were pretty decent, but they were green.
Yeah, I think they had been recovered green.
But it's been probably 2 or 3 years since I took them off, and I haven't opened it.
Yeah.
So I'll have it to show. They're just a driver quality.
If you need dark green seats, covers, just covers. And if you have any seat frames, what do we need? 2 driver's seats?
2 driver's seats.
That would be great. If you have any 69 B-body or 68, 9, 70 B-body seats, send me an email to the email at the bottom of the screen. Thank you. I want them, and I'll meet you in Carlisle.
This is some wiring. We put the American Auto wire in the Challenger that we redid. This was a good set. I think it was a rally car.
Then that says CUDA engine harness, 73.
Yeah. We've got a Lincoln arc welder I've had probably 20 years. It's perfect. He got his Miller, and we don't use it anymore, so it's like, why keep it?
Yep.
Bunch of Milwaukee batteries that, they give you the death flash, and they won't take a charge. I know there's tricks.
That giant one right there. I don't know what's the matter with that.
Which one?
The big M18 one there.
Oh yeah, this is a 9.0, and it won't take a charge. Did we start to take it? Yeah, tried to pull it apart. We tried some of the tricks, but
we couldn't get any tricks to fix our battery. So maybe
you can.
Maybe somebody will come and take the whole box for $100.
Here are a bunch of. Is it 4? Or is that?
That was the white one that I had on the front of my 440.
I guess it's okay.
That's the way that is, I believe.
This is a brand new air conditioner.
AC. Compressor. Compressor.
There's another new. I guess it's almost new. The electric buffer. Some headrests that.
Why are you getting rid of the buffer? That's the one I've been using. That buffer doesn't go. He's insane.
Okay, then we won't bring that.
That's the one I buffed my whole car with. Are you nuts?
Here's a set of lights, but it's got a crack in it, so it's good for housing on one side.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Might be
trash.
Oh,
there's
a couple water pumps.
J-code water pump. It's got some brackets on it. That one I think is brand new. There's an air conditioning unit, and I think this is the one. Alternator.
Oh, that's my brand new alternator.
That's right.
That's like a 200 amp, whatever.
That's really nice.
Oh, it's a tough stuff. Yeah, I bought that to run a stereo and all that stuff.
This is windshield wiper motor. Just a couple little yucky things.
Hope that's off your car and not my car.
This is a set of red. They're just a universal seat belts. There's another set of brown seat belts. There's a bunch of tools. Crescent wrenches.
Wrenches and stuff.
They're used, but
what's that to?
Goes around the fenders.
70 fender.
Yep. Some more wiring.
67 filler cap.
Yep.
Wire.
Little projector.
Projector, leaf blower.
This is, like I say, the headrest. What is this? A-body.
Not the best of headrests, but maybe somebody can redo them. Brian.
Oh, that's for Brian.
A-body. Yeah, those are.
Okay, then we have all the OER 68 complete grill, but they're not.
They're
his original set he took off and he put in these boxes. But
68 all grill plastic.
5 pieces.
It's 5-piece.
Okay.
Headlight doors, 2 headlight buckets, and the center grill.
There's a drill or a
Circular saw.
saw in there. A little projector. Dave, come around over
A canary, if you need a canary.
Yeah. We've got all these bit window assemblies. Here's some of the glass that go in these. They're nice. I mean, it's all that stainless. They're not pitted.
Yeah, they came out of all the doors that I bought a bunch of doors and then I ended up using AMD. So
there's a Coors.
We got 2 drivers and we got what? 4 or 5 passengers.
5 passenger.
Yeah, somebody's gonna want those. Coors Light, neon.
Coors Extra, I think. It works.
Oh, Coors Extra. Okay.
And then these are all Richard Petty, all of his accomplishments.
200 wins. We got a heavy duty hoist.
And then,
And then I got another hoist brand new in a box somewhere.
Yeah, it's. And there's more, a whole bunch more bottles.
A bunch more Petty bottles.
That's the Titanic going down.
Okay.
Everybody needs one of those.
I got you that. Thanks for showing me how much it means to you.
A hard hat. I don't know what these brackets go to.
I don't know what bracket.
Oh, it's probably on here where it goes to. Pump bracket, 68, 69 big block.
Okay.
There's some spinners.
Knockoffs, drill bits. Then I've
Foot
got
ornament.
Oh yeah.
Dodge.
Those rods are for 6-pack rods, but I have #1 bat because I bent it because I'm a goofball.
These are all drill bits. The Mark 320 we got out.
We'll probably take less than $3.25 a piece.
Oh yeah, a lot less. Extension cord, I don't know what's in that box under there.
I don't know either.
This is one of those charge kit things. Power Mates. It's basically a battery.
Jump box, yeah.
Jump box. This is the starter you bought. So yeah. But you ended up with another new one.
Yeah.
This is full of stuff for 57 Bel Air.
Full of I'm kind of a big deal around here signs.
Yeah, there's a bunch of whatever.
We don't call the police.
There's a Summit oil. There's some patches, some sandpaper, and then there's all these. I mean, go price these.
Cut off wheels.
I mean, most of them are all marked.
Yeah.
$3 and $4 and $5, but we will take considerably less.
Make me a deal.
Make me a deal. What else we got here? Oh, there's another buffer here. Another saw.
Okay.
A blower.
Yep.
And we have a little generator, so.
So you're keeping that suspension over there?
Yeah, that's my suspension.
Okay.
And there's 2 doors right there coming.
These 2 doors? What are they, 69 doors? Now, one of them we're going to put on the wall. Over there, when we do the whole thing.
Oh, I didn't think so. I thought we had another door for that.
Oh, we have 2 more doors over there.
Where?
Those are 2 nice doors.
No, one of them is really bad. Yeah.
But they're both okay. Oh.
This is the door that's going on the wall.
Okay, we'll see.
Well, wait a minute. Or this one.
Oh.
So this crappy.
How do we still have 5 doors?
I know, we got 5 doors.
Golly, we're idiots.
So.
I don't know where they all came from. You got doors on your Charger, right? You got new doors. Where is your doors at? They're on it, right?
I believe, yeah, my doors are on it.
Watch your head there.
2 brand new doors.
I got my doors. Yeah, you got your doors on it.
Yes.
And you got 2 new doors for the other Charger.
Yes. One's inside, one's in front.
Driver's door, yeah. Oh, and there's another, that's another door.
Passenger door.
Front door assembly right hand. Okay. So, okay, show this. Let's see.
Oh, yeah. We've got We're gonna bring
complete set of glass. Well, it looks like these are tinted and those quarter windows are not.
But we've got plain glass around the corner over there. We stood them all up.
Oh,
we're bringing a bunch of passenger glass.
Oh, they're all passengers? No, there's drivers. Looks like there's 3 drivers and you can see they're opposite. Those?
Yeah, those 3 are different.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 passengers, or vice versa. I don't know.
Yeah, whatever.
And then I've got a couple. Are we bringing any new windshields?
Yeah, we can. Okay, those. I thought we had some more stuff in here. Yeah, we've got.
So my old front windshield.
We've got 2 rear glass.
2 rear.
Used.
69 charger. 69. 68, 970 charger
and then a
glass.
front windshield used. It was in his car. And then I thought we were going to wait on the new.
There's my new glass. There's another new glass, and there's 2 other new front glass. But like I said, we might keep them. Oh, and there's my new back glass that's tinted, and then there's another new rear.
Yeah, that's mine.
We're keeping that just in case I break one, because he's got Daytona plugs for these.
Right.
So he won't use the rear glass.
Yeah, that's how we got 2 of them.
Yeah.
And then yours is 3.
Okay.
Because you got new glass.
That's the road to Carlisle.
Anything else?
I'm just going to do an update. So all my grill and dash pieces are laid out, and then
Oh yeah, you did all the welding.
we just primed up my dash and getting it super slick. So Dad primed it a couple times the other day, and I blocked it, and now we're going to do another coat on that.
Then he re-welded some brackets. You can put another dash on this side.
I made this as 2 dash pad restoration cart.
You can put the grill on there and work it.
Kick this out so you could bolt this and actually do I think I saw it on Graveyard Cars. They had a cart to do the whole front end grill restoration. So that's what I'm gonna do this afternoon. So if you like that kind of stuff, watch Clark's Place, subscribe, all that good stuff, and you'll see all of our videos. Those are the next things that I'm doing on my car, is the dash and grill restoration. And then Pops is still finagling his rear end. I'm not going to show it because it looks terrible and you're not proud of it yet. But we will be getting this car very close to paint.
Yeah, it's getting close to paint. I mean, most of it, we just found this area back here that
If
didn't.
you imagine it right, you can see the fins sticking out. Yeah.
I got to work the. You can see this. This one comes up real nice and stops. This one, we don't know what happened. Stops there. But where it hits, I'm going to have to make a little.
Well, we built the custom bars, so we might not have it hitting exactly in the right spot.
So, got that to work.
Okay, but yeah, it looks like all your Daytona stuff is getting close to being painted.
Yeah,
So
I need
those
another
videos
more
will be
primer.
those videos will be coming out. We'll be painting the car and putting together a whole front grille, making it super nice. And what else we got going on at Clark's Place? Oh, fixing a 2010 Furious Fuchsia Hemi Challenger. Dad's got ignition work that he did to it, and all the power comes on and you can't start it. Is that right?
Nothing.
So if you have any ideas,
Bobs and the starter or the block in there. Something else is wrong. The next thing, which probably the first thing we should have done, is it could be as simple as the wires corroded on the starter, so it gets nothing. There's no clicking. There's nothing to start it.
It's not that battery. Battery's good.
So
yeah,
nothing works on it.
If you know Challengers and you live near Jacksonville, Florida, come and help us. We got a dead Furious Fuchsia on the lift.
Yeah.
And if you've seen anything that you like, here we got an awning, we got tables, we got scooters, we got all of our personal stuff we're taking up to do the show.
There's a corded drill down there too, I just saw.
Oh, corded drill.
I mean, all that stuff is so common. It's
we're practically giving this stuff away.
Pretty much.
Because we don't want it, but hopefully it can go to a better home. He had all this duct work stuff set out.
But he doesn't know what he needs yet.
I don't have any ductwork in my car yet, so we'll see.
Well, I don't either.
So, yeah, that's it in a nutshell.
Yep. We'll see you.
When are we heading out?
We're going to head out Wednesday, get up there.
Wednesday morning?
Early Thursday morning.
Wednesday night, late Thursday morning. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not even filming this. There we go. So, if you like anything, come see us. We're in what is it?
K126, 127.
K126, 127. Kind of down the hill from the main stage, concessions. We're kind of in the middle area right there by the main island restroom. So come down and see us. If you're just coming to say hi to us, from like Mark comes from, he should be there. He said he'd come down and drink a beer with us. He's a madman from Canada, but probably our #1 fan. So look forward to seeing him, and go see Old Car Garage. He's got a bunch of stuff. He should probably be there filming as well.
Oh, and make sure, I think he's in K1. He's down on the corner, first row at Grant Janik. And
Grant Janik is there.
His wife Megan will be there with all the Daytona parts.
We got the plug from him. We got the nose from him, which is over there somewhere. We got the fins,
wings,
his whole
balance.
What is the difference between Grant's kits? What are they called? Economy and what else? Deluxe?
Oh, yeah, he makes the deluxe.
Is it called deluxe?
I don't know.
Okay.
But you can talk to him. He sells the whole kit, everything
He's in
you
K1.
need to convert it over to a Daytona or a Superbird. He carries the Superbird stuff too. Him and his dad, he's taken the business now since his dad has passed away. But they've done it for, what, 20 years maybe or more. So he's got a lot of experience, and a lot of guys have conversions. Even people with real cars will put his parts on there to save the original parts.
Yep.
Because they're so good.
They are very nice.
Yep.
We've enjoyed working with all of them. Oh, your nose is covered up right there.
Yes.
You covered up your nose. Okay, so...
In the trunk deck, you have to cut your trunk deck off and add the piece in that he furnishes.
Yep.
I mean, the scoops, he sells it all.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay. See you in Carlisle. We'll be up there this next week.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay. We bought these new for Carlisle last year.
We used one of them
1200 watt generators.
for maybe an hour.
Yeah, so...
But the other one we didn't even use. This is probably the one we used. This one's still brand new. Well, this one is too.
Yeah. So then we got my old axles out of my car. And those.
We got a couple torsion.
Come get those. We want to get rid of these.
Couple torsion bars too. Oh, and there's also, I think, some steering
pieces, parts. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so look for our rig here. You see us in Carlisle in a few days. Yeah. Come get these generators. We're tired of looking them around for a whole year. Golly.